Hello friends, and welcome to She's in Her Apron. I think I have a concussion. You're telling this ADHD girl that I need to be in a room, a dark room, and do nothing?
You know it's unheard of.
How do you do that?
The way things are going, I don't know.
Today is Thursday. Monday night, I went out with the girls. I was walking toward my friend's car. Her hatch came down and I didn't see it because I was wearing a hat. So I walk into it. As it's coming down, I hit hard, you guys, hard. Right here. It is so tender. So Tuesday I was out. I canceled my nail appointment. I stayed in a dark room. We shut the curtains. I had such a headache. I was so swollen. Yesterday I laid low. I had an interview today that I did for a group and it went well, but as the day went on, I'm noticing that I'm a little bit slower. And when I rescheduled my massage appointment next week with Cherie, I was talking to her on the phone on the way to Ridley's. She's like, Kimmy, I really do think you have a concussion. You're repeating yourself. You keep saying 10, 15. I'm like, no, I'm not. And I repeat myself a lot of the times. Like when I'm editing, I'm like, gosh, I repeat myself a lot. It's an ADHD thing. And she's like, no, you keep repeating yourself. I went into the store and with the fluorescent lights, I feel like I was slowing down. My speech, like when I was talking to customer service, I was really having a hard time talking. The fluorescent lights made things worse. My head hurts. I felt a little nauseous on the ride home. I definitely think I have a concussion and I'm gonna sit in a dark room. That's what my friend Becky told me. She said, you need to sit in a dark room, no music, no nothing. You gotta give your brain a break. You're telling this ADHD girl that I need to be in a room, a dark room, and do nothing? How do you do that? Our sons have had concussions a lot. I just know I need to stay away from electronics and lights and give my brain a break, but how does someone with ADHD do that? I don't know. I'm gonna eat some ice cream now. Have you guys had Handles? It's so good. This is the Graham Central Station. If I have to be in a dark room with no electronics or music, then I'll eat. I'll probably end up falling asleep too.
2 days later.
I like the way you work it.
You and your homies might be lying and shop.
Go ahead.
3 days later.
It is 9:16 in the morning and my daughter's in tutoring. So while she's in tutoring, I sit and I do work. I am recovering from a concussion. You can actually, well, you probably can't, but I have yellow right here. It started bruising the other day. So I'm very sensitive to light. Today is the first really normal functioning day. Well, no, I would say maybe yesterday was Sunday. But today I noticed I took my ADHD meds. I haven't taken them for a few days. Because I took them, I'm feeling like this slight pressure behind my right eye. Well, I had a friend contact me this morning like, hey, I'm passing through town. Let's do lunch. And I'm like, yeah, let's go out. I'm worried that with my meds and this pain behind my eye, that it's gonna take me out and I have a wedding reception to go to tonight. In fact, like this ponytail that I have is starting to hurt from the pressure right here. It's still tender, not as bad as it was like even just a couple of days ago, but it's still tender. So I think I'm over the hump, but just to make sure today, I'm gonna play it safe. I'm gonna run into Costco. I think I'm gonna go grab their chicken salad with the croissants. She loves dessert, so I think I'm gonna find chocolate cake because the last time I saw her, she wanted chocolate cake and she got this piece of chocolate cake from this restaurant and it was huge. It was like bigger than her head. It was a joke. It was hilarious. So I think I'm gonna find her some chocolate cake. So coming to lunch is Christine from Frugal Fit Mom. I ran into Costco and I got their chicken salad, but I'm gonna add some grates in from when I was there the other day to make it even better. I grabbed a Caesar salad I'll mix up. Of course, they're croissants. If you think that's too much and your family wouldn't eat all of them, freeze them. And then, my gosh, to get that chocolate cake craving, these are their mini all-American cakes with fudge icing. Oh yeah. So let's put this together. She's gonna be here sooner than I thought. Now let's get lunch put together. All right, I'm gonna add in my chicken salad. Okay, you want to freshen up your chicken salad, you've got to put grates in it. It is
Like, so good. I think Costco's chicken salad is okay, but I think it misses this element in it. I just half them. If they're really big graves, then quarter them. She's gonna be here any minute. I was thinking like noon, but she is making good timing getting her little tushy here. Take the croissant and cut it in half and scoop some of this in. Look at that. Yum. Let's make this Caesar salad. Okay, I can't find the little nubby thing that goes onto my tripod, so bear with me. So I'm gonna dump this in. This has Parmesan cheese already in it. My hands are clean, so don't come at me. Okay, then I'm gonna add dressing in. I was just gonna do one for right now. They gave us limes. Like, do they want us? Oh no, now I put, oh god. No seeds. We don't need her choking. I don't want that on my conscience. All right. Caesar salad. You want to see what I did? I put a cake right up front and made like the sandwich this side. Isn't that funny? I'm hilarious, I tell you, hilarious. I met my special guest, officially like met in person finally at a conference we went to in April. And you think she's funny in her videos. She's just as witty and funny and quick in person. And she's so smart. I love talking with her. I was super nervous to meet her because like I pick up on people and their personalities really quick. And I thought, oh no, will our personalities mesh? She's very outgoing. I knew she was an 8 on the anagram. Like, I already knew that. And I'm a 2. But we are a lot alike in the same ways and completely different in others. She was like, hey, at the conference, in the morning, do you want to go for a hike? And I'm like, no. No. Because I know what her type of hikes are going to be. And my body was like, no. I love that I could be honest and like blunt with her because that's how she is. And it's like, yes, I love when you don't have to tiptoe around somebody. That's my favorite. I love having this big picture window because I could spot people easily. There's just so much sunlight, like, oh my gosh, I love it. I have a watermelon and so have something refreshing.
Can I take a croissant?
Yes, you could take a croissant.
I love croissants.
A quick fruit salad, blueberries, watermelon, and strawberries. Yum. Love you. Hello? Hi. Well, say hi. I just made lunch for you and I sweet. Oh, hi. I can't find my nubby thing to my tripod.
Several hours later.
Well, lunch was fun. It was so good to see her. Quick run in on our way home. Had a good lunch, good chat. We shared the chocolate cake. She got a kick out of it and why I got the chocolate cake. If you don't know Christine from Frugal Fit Mom, go check out her channel. I'll leave it below. She is fascinating at tons of tips to save money. She's a smart lady. She's a smart lady. She just left like maybe 15 minutes ago when I ran up and finally did my hair. So it looked like I looked horrible when she was here, but that's okay. I took some Motrin. The headache is doing pretty good. I just want to be able to go tonight and support my friend's daughter and her, and it's just so, I'm just so happy for my friends. I have friends whose kids are starting to get married. It's all so exciting. Everyone's growing up, so I want to be able to not have a headache or anything. So I'm doing pretty good. I think I'm over the hump. I really do. I'm glad we had lunch here instead of going out. I think if I was near fluorescent lights, like that would not have been good. All right, we have croissants, we have chocolate cake, and we have chicken salad and some Caesar salad and fruit salad. That's what happened in my life today. Sometimes things pop up and unexpected, like guests pop over. When I do the Fly Lady cleaning method, and she has her weekly home blessing. And she does it like on Mondays, where you change the sheets, you do a quick vacuum of like your go-to areas, you clutter check, de-junking, taking out all of the house trash, quick like wipe up of things. I actually like doing that on Fridays in case anybody pops over on the weekend, so the house is like in a really good spot. So I switched that maybe 2 years ago. So that's my little tip for you. Maybe do your bigger cleaning like on Friday so your home is ready for the weekend. Sundays you just do a little check spot, so if guests come over, you're in a good spot. So today, where, you know, a friend calls and says, hey, I'm in town, and you invite them over, you're in a good spot. Come join me over on this playlist here. I am sharing a ton of tips on cleaning routines and how to implement them that I have shared with you here on She's in Her Apron for over 12 years. I'll meet you over there. Thanks for joining me today, friends. Bye.
You got me wrapped around your finger.